How to convert your Facebook and Instagram comments into leads very quickly and easily using our free templates. So here I'm in a demo account. So if you head over to flows over here, you can actually locate all free templates right here. So if you click on this one, you have a folder named as comments automation. So here you can find all the templates related to Facebook and Instagram comments, and here for an example, we have also a template just to send links to your customers as well. For example, if you want to send them event registration link, or if you send them a product link, or even if you want to send them to some sort of a free resource or a video link, you can actually use this send resource links. So here we have the template for both Facebook and Instagram as well. For example, let me open the send resource links IG comments template. So this is a very simple template right here. So here when you send specific links, you have the option to upload any sort of image related to that particular link, and here you can add your product or service title, and you can also even add a short description as well. And here you can simply add any sort of links to that particular free resource or link you want to send to the customer. So this is a very simple template we have built for you in the free templates. And here you also have the ability to collect the customer's email as well. So if you go back to the comments automation folder right here, so here you can also request email address before you send the free resource link as well. For example, let me open this particular free template which says request email address plus send resource links. So let me open that particular free template right here. It simply provides some information about the free resource or any kind of free lead magnet you want to share to the customer, and ask if they're actually interested to receive this. And if they tap on yes please, we simply actually ask them for their email address and set the email opt-in so that we can actually send native emails within the platform as well. So here we are actually sending the free resource through the email, and also we are also sending the free resource right in the DMs as well. So this actually increases the chance of they actually consuming your free resource or lead magnet, and also helps you with lead generation as well, since we are actually collecting their email address as you see here. And you can even trigger email marketing campaigns from here as well. And also if you collect their phone number, you can even send text message marketing as well. So this is just a simple example right here. So here you can simply change any sort of text right here as you like, and you can even change the button's title as well. And here you can even edit the email you send right here along with any sort of links as well. Another important note is that to send native emails within the flow builder, you have to make sure you have connected your email channel right here. So if you go to settings over here, you have the option in channels to connect your email as you see here. So likewise, if you connect your SMS from Twilio, then you have the option to send SMS messages as well. So here we have all these 4 free templates for both Facebook and Instagram comments. For example, let's actually see how you can actually use these free templates for your own products and services. So here this is Amazon, and let's say we want to send this particular product link to the customers who actually comment on your Facebook post as cleaning spray. So let's see how this actually works. So here we have these free templates right here. So if you want to keep these free templates as it is, and if you want to simply, you can actually duplicate this existing free template and use it on for your own product as well. So you can have the original free template as it is on your account as well. So here let's use this send resource links Facebook comment template. So simply let me duplicate this particular template right here. So it should be duplicate. So here this has been now duplicated. So now you can simply rename this particular template as this particular product name right here. So let me rename this particular thing as all-purpose cleaning spray Facebook comments. So let me rename like this, and here let me open this particular flow. So here I'm in this particular flow we just duplicated. So here you can actually change the image or product image right here. So let me delete this image, and here you can simply copy the image address from here and simply use insert link over here and paste it. So as you see, now we have simply add the product image right here, and here you can add your product title as well. So let me simply name the product title as like this, all purpose cleaning spray. So let me add the product title as this, and here you can even add the short descriptions as well. So here let me add the short description as like this, and here you can add the button title as well. For example, let's say buy now, and here you can change the link to whatever the Amazon product link as you like. Here save it, simple as that. So that's it. So let me click publish over here. So now we want to simply create a Facebook comment automation trigger to send this particular message to someone who comments on your Facebook post as cleaning spray. Simple as that. So for that you have to go to the auto marketing tool right here, and here choose Facebook comments. Let's create a new Facebook comment tool and put the name as the product name itself, so it's easier to track. So let me name this one as all purpose cleaning spray and click continue. And here you can actually choose a specific post to trigger the automation. So if you choose all post, you can actually create multiple posts promoting the same product again and again. So let me simply choose all post over here, and private reply to the comment. You have to simply choose the flow we just created, all purpose cleaning spray, Facebook comments, and public comment reply. So when they actually comment as, for example, let's say cleaning spray, what sort of public comment reply you want to add to them. For example, let's say send you the link, let's say please check your DM, and let me say link sent, check your DM. Simple as that. So this will be added as public comment reply, saying we have already sent you the DM with the product link for them to purchase the product. And here reply to comments. So we want to reply to the comments when they say, let's say cleaning spray. So only if they reply with this particular keyword, we want to trigger the automation. Simple as that. And here you have the option to like the user comment as well, and here you can even delay the responses as well. For now, let me choose immediately over here and click save. So you have to make sure you activate this one as well, and now we can quickly test how this actually works. So let me go to this particular demo page which you have connected on this particular account right here, test chatting media. So this is the same page. So let me actually add a comment. So here we have chosen all post, so it simply works for any of the post right here. So let me add a comment on this post as cleaning spray and see what happens. So I'm commenting the exact keyword right here. So when you post on the Facebook this kind of first, you have to add a CTA or guide on your post description saying add the keyword cleaning spray. So here we have already received the message as you see here. Demo chatting media is responding to a comment you made on the post, and here I have received the exact product image and the name of the product and whatever the details we have added right here. And if I click on buy now, it simply take me directly to Amazon over here to the particular product right here. Simple as that. And if I refresh this particular page, I can show the public comment replies as well. So here if I refresh, so this is the page I commented. As you hear, for the cleaning spray comment, the page has liked my comment and also say link sent, check your DM, and this is the DM I received. That's a quick and easy way for you to create comment automations for your own products and services you want to promote to your customers. So this is on Facebook. So you can actually do the same thing on Instagram as well. For the Instagram, let me show how to collect the email address as well. See a quick demo for the Instagram as well. So for the Instagram, let's see how to collect the customer email address as well. So here I'm going to actually use this particular thing, request email address, send resource link, IG comments template. So here we also collect the customer email address as well. So like we just did for the Facebook comments, you can simply duplicate this one and customize any sort of messages you like and simply create an Instagram comment automation. So I'm going to simply use this particular template flow right here for the Instagram comment automation. So let me go to the auto marketing tool right here and choose Instagram comments automations right here, and let me create a new comment automation, and let's say guide. So let's say we are going to offer them some sort of free sort of guides. So let me click continue over here, And here you can track all posts or choose a specific post as well. And private reply to comment, you have to simply choose whatever the flow you duplicated, or you can simply choose the flow you have for the Instagram comments template. So here let me choose request email address, send resource link, IG comments template. And for the public comment reply, like we saw for the Facebook comments, so these are the public comment replies. So you can do the same thing for the Instagram as well. So let's say send you a DM, and let's say DM sent. So likewise you can actually add your own variations right here. And let's say if someone actually comments on your Instagram as guide, then we want to trigger the automation. And here you can also delay the responses as well. For now, let's choose as immediately and click save. So here make sure you activate the comment automation you have just created right here. And let me show a live demo on the Instagram as well. So here I'm in the test chatting media Instagram page, and I'm going to add a comment as guide over here and see what happens. So I'm choosing a random post right here and add a comment as guide. And so here I just added the comment as guide, and it says send you a DM. So let me actually go to this particular test chatting media page and see what DM it has actually sent us. And it says, hi Robert, we have a fantastic free resource that can help you with a specific benefit. Would you like to receive it? And it provides two options: yes please, no thank you. Let me choose a yes please. And here it simply collect the customer's email address as well. For example, let me simply enter my email address right here. And so here let me simply enter my email address over here, and it should actually send us the next message: thank you, here's the link to download your free resource. We also send this free resource to your email shortly as well. So here if I click on download now, it simply link to the free resource you have here. This is the email address we just received over here. So if you're wondering where you have this particular email set up right here, and if you go to this particular flow, this is the exact email we have right here. And if you want to remove the skip button, you can simply delete this particular thing over here and click save. So the skip button will no longer be shown there as well. It's a quick video on how you can actually generate more leads from your Instagram and Facebook comments. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.